Today, we're going to check out the enchanting world of furniture flipping, where every used couch is a hidden gem and every scratch table holds a story just waiting to be retold. There's people who are making between $1,500 and $2,000 per piece of furniture they flip. That means on an average, you can make about $3,000 to $4,000 per month after expenses. Hi, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah, damn right!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Begin your furniture flipping journey by immersing yourself in the world of furniture trends and restoration techniques. Research what styles are in demand and educate yourself on basic furniture makeover skills such as sanding, painting, and reupholstering. Online resources, community college courses, or local workshops can be an excellent starting point. Understanding the market and mastering these fundamental skills are crucial first steps that set the foundation for your flipping success. It's important to know what you like and what your potential client space will like. Research is always important. The next step is to find furniture pieces with potential. You can find them in places like thrift shops, yard sales, estate sales, and online marketplaces like OfferUp, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Many of these spots even offer furniture for free, as long as you're able to come pick it up. Make sure you look for well-built furniture that needs a little TLC instead of pieces requiring major repairs. What you want to do is find items that you can enhance with your creativity and effort to increase their value. Once you have your furniture, it's time to unleash your creativity. Develop a vision for each piece, considering current trends and how you can give it a unique appeal. Carefully plan your restoration process, focusing on both aesthetics and functionality. As you work on your projects, ensure you have a well-organized space and the right tools, which will help you execute your vision efficiently and safely. After transforming your furniture, you need to attract buyers. High-quality pics that showcase your furniture's best features are so important. Use online platforms, social media, and local marketplaces to reach potential customers. Write interesting product descriptions and price your items fairly, considering both the market rates and your invested time and resources. Effective marketing can really help with your visibility and attract more buyers. And if selling online isn't your thing, you can hold an old-fashioned yard sale. And there you have it. So remember to make sure you advertise on social media, also that your pricing is competitive. And do your research before spending any money, especially if you use apps like Google Lens to tell you information about the items and how much people pay for it. One person's trash can be your treasure. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below. Will you try flipping some furniture into cash? And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.